In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your files like a pro, making your digital workspace more organized and efficient. Whether you're working on a new project, managing ongoing tasks, or just decluttering your digital life, a well-organized folder is essential. So let's get started. First, head over to the folder you want to manage. This folder can be located anywhere in your computer's storage system, on your desktop, or even in a cloud service. Opening this folder is the first step in taking control. Inside, you might find a collection of files that you've accumulated over time, and it's important to have a strategy to address them. Once you're inside the folder, take a look at the interface of the application you're using. Somewhere on there, usually on the right side near the top, you'll notice a small icon featuring 3 dots. This is more than just a simple button, it's a gateway to a variety of organizational tools that can really help streamline your folder. By clicking on this 3-dot menu, a whole set of options will appear. These options typically include renaming, moving, or deleting files, among others. Each action has its place, so let's break them down. Renaming files is a fundamental option that allows you to clarify what's inside the file right from the outset. Clear and descriptive file names can save you from confusion later on, so take a moment to rename any cryptic file titles to something that truly reflects their contents. The Move option is another powerhouse feature. If you have multiple folders, use this feature to move a file from one location to another, helping you categorize better. Say you have a project that needs all its elements in one spot. Simply select the relevant files and move them to the respective project folder. Deleting is quite straightforward but should be done with caution. This helps free up space and reduce clutter, but always ensure that the files you're deleting aren't needed later. It's always better to double check before hitting delete because recovering files can be a daunting task if they're gone for good. Beyond these options, organizing your tasks and files can change how you work. You can simply click on a file to drag and drop it into a new position within the folder. This is particularly useful for prioritizing tasks or grouping similar files. The drag and drop method is intuitive, promoting better organization with just a movement of your mouse. Alternatively, you can edit the properties of a file if you need to. This might involve changing metadata or ensuring certain settings are correct, sharpening the precision of your folder's organizational structure. Embrace editing as your friend in this journey toward ultimate digital tidiness. With these tools at your disposal, you can turn any cluttered folder into an organized wonderland. Your files will be at your fingertips, and you'll save time and be more productive in your digital endeavors. Give these steps a try and experience the benefits of a well-organized digital workspace.